Well, that's not good. It is not supposed to do that. I don't know if you can see that, but the big old crack in there. It's undone from there, so, and apparently missing a bolt. Yeah. So it looks like somebody broke a bolt off of that previously. So we'll take that off, see if we can fix it. If not, I guess I'm ordering a new muffler assembly. We'll see if we can have some fun. I'm betting there's probably supposed to be a gasket underneath there too, but I don't see one. Always wondered if putting a bigger turbo on this would make a difference, but somehow I doubt it. Yeah, see, that's not supposed to be like that. And yep, I was right, there's the gasket. Well, at least the gasket's not blown out. This is. There's no good. Okay. I guess the only way to get this out is to lift up the arms. See what it sounds like without without exhaust on it. Let me know if you like it. All right. How about that? Came right out. Alright. Well, being as this appears to be some kind of it's like a cast material, I believe. I mean, even though it is welded up here, I'm going to go ahead and heat it up anyway, just to make sure that it doesn't break on me. Alright, see what we can do. You know, I don't know why I did that. I've still got a I've got to bevel this. I'm retarded. Alright, hold on. Alright, time to play. Ready, set, don't mess it up. Even though I already kind of did. Alright. I need your help, Christian. What the hell? Guess I didn't clean that off well enough. Guess I didn't get it hot enough. Alright. All the holes are plugged. We'll grind that off. If you're not good at welding, be good at grinding, right? Well, that should do it. Now I gotta figure out if I can get that other bolt out. Or the broken bolt. Well, as you can see that, but you can see just the bottom of it. See if we can get some vice grips on it. I don't know if this is going to work, but we'll see. Alright, well, nope, that isn't going to work. I might be able to. No, I don't think I can do that. It's not up high enough for me to weld a nut on there. Alright, guess we're going to drill it. Well, I think I got the right drill bit. I'll try getting easy out. See what happens. Well, I can't see for shit. Well, good news, the bolt feels somewhat soft. That's how it always goes, right? As soon as you're almost done, the fucking battery goes dead. Alright. A little bit of heat to this just in case. Might make it a little easier to get out. Alright. See what happens. Wrong one. Come on. Come out. Come out, come out, come out. Like he's gonna break my easy out. What the hell? Okay. So this is a not so easy out. Well, drilled all the way through it. Let's see if we can knock half of it out. I got pretty close to the threads. If I gotta chase the threads, I'll chase the threads. Fucking piece of shit. Come on. Sorry, I didn't film that. I don't know why. But ta-da! Got it out with well, drill, punch, hammer. Yeah, got it out. Alright, let's see if I can find this, the correct spacer and bolt in my sea of bolts. See? Stuff like trying to find this right here is the reason that is how my garage ends up getting all messed up. Just got it all nice and clean, open, get the bike around. Nope, now I gotta like tear everything apart looking for one freaking bolt. Well, didn't find the bolt, but found a hex one that's actually stainless steel, so should work just fine. Oh, I got a longer one here too, just in case. But the shorter one should be just fine. With it being a hex head, not a bolt, it shouldn't be bumping into anything. All right, let's get her installed. Thing's being a dirty rat bastard, but I got it. Kind of figured that the gasket was gonna fight me, and I was right. It did. Okay, I guess someone gets done with a wrench. Well, as you can see, this works just fine. Might even switch that one out, because that is a pain in the ass. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, that didn't work. Switched out this back bolt, which is extremely hard to get to with a wrench. And of course, as soon as I turn the camera on, I freaking start choking to death. But that's how it goes. Alright, she's on there. All better. Actually, yeah, I gotta do that one too. Got it without using a wrench. Yay! Alright. Start her up, see how she sounds. Alright, so battery died. I got to start it up and listen to it, but now you guys do. Definitely quieter if you ask me. What would I know? Ow! Dirty bastard. Alright. Well, that's today's project. Now, if I can get this to stop popping off, I'd be happy. This is a electrical case cover. Does have this little handy dandy screw thing, but doesn't never seem to be lined up without being able to see in there. It's almost impossible. It's been a good little machine for me. Alright, well, that was today. Have a good day.